Sige na.
Patayin ko na. Tawag ko siya. Andyan sila.
Ano?
Hello, good evening everyone. Good evening. Please come and join my live. I'm here now for terminal number 1. Hello, baby. How are you, mommy? Oh, kunin na. How are you, Natna? Huh? How are you, Natna?
Ampul ini. Ampul. Calapa. Not sure if you know this, but when parang ulan.
Hello, guys. I'm here for terminal number 1. My baby's
Eh,
My baby's eating, guys. Okay, guys. Hello for viewers. Good evening, everyone. I finished for terminal number 1. I'm going for terminal number 2 now, guys. Good evening to all my followers and viewers. Please keep share and like my lives. I really appreciated your help, guys. Hello, hello to all my viewers. I finished for terminal number 1. I'm going now for terminal number 2. Good evening, Sadama. Good evening to all. Please share and like my videos, my lives. Good evening, Jetenda. Good evening, T4G. Yes, sir, good evening. How are you, everyone? Good evening, KA786. Good evening. Raja Aslan, good evening. Wagas Raja, good evening. Mir, good evening. Hello 19 viewers, good evening everyone. Please like and share my live. Keep it share, follow my account and sending a gifts, guys. We appreciated for sending a gifts for the help of these all my stray angels. Hoping someone is send my the gifts. Hola Rihan. Good evening 30 viewers. for terminal number 2. Mabilisan lang tayo kasi may nagro-ronda eh. Ha? Saan?
Nakpan.
Ang alin? Huwag ka nang bumaba, huwag ka nang bumaba. Diyan ka lang. Hello guys. I'm here now for terminal number 2. Yes. Come mommy, come. Ah, chika. How are you anak? How are you mommy? Ah, eat na ikaw mommy. Eat mommy. Eat mommy. Ah, sige na. Eat. Eat mommy. Where is kuya? Ah? Eat na mami, ha? Okay? Bye, anak. I love you. Good evening, anak. Bye. Mga rin. Wala siya eh. I finished terminal number 2, guys. Good evening, 50 viewers. Please share and like my lives. I'm going for terminal number 3 now. Guys, please I'm going now to the Papi. Terminal number 3. Can you share and like my lives, guys? I really appreciate it. Send a gifts is a big help with them. Please send a gifts, flowers, everything that gives you will from your heart, from the bottom of your heart, send to the all stray angels. Thank you.
Kinsin?
Yes.
Sama mo si mami. Wala nga, puno.
Oh, sige na. Nay.
Uy, meron pa rin kailan dyan, oh.
Malayo.
Ayan, oh.
Yan sila oh.
Saan sila?
Nandun sa may basurahan.
Nakita mo? Sure ka?
Yes.
Walang daanan dyan, ha.
Hindi mag-ikot ka. Porket walang daanan, mag-return ka.
Ito.
Tinapon na nila. Balik dun sa basurahan. Tinapon nila.
Ayan, oh.
Tinapon nila yung tubig.
Ayan sila. Tawag mo, dalhin mo sila doon. Ako dalang dalhin, tawag mo sila.
Asan na? Chuchu! Come here, Chuchu! Chuchu! Dito na langan. Huwag tatawid sila, masagasahan pa. Chuchu! Come, come, come. Wait, 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 wait. Dito, Han, dito. Ah. Okay, kain na kayo. Tatawagan niya yung mga kapatid niya.
Pero yung sa mag-isa doon.
Chuchu! Tinapon yung tubig niya. Chuchu. Ay! Look, I'm fighting. Ah! Oh,
Wala mong plastic.
may plastic ka pa? Tawagin mo, sige na, tawagin mo yung Chuchu doon. Saan? Ay! No fighting, ah. Dito, dito. Ako na sasama ko sa'yo, alika. Kunin mo yung cellphone. Kunin mo yung cellphone ko doon kasi wala akong charge. Tama na, tama na. Baka mo nga. Okay, nakain niya. Ah, dito na ah. Kaya na kayo, sige na. Ay! Hey!
Okay na to.
Oh, ipupunta kami doon.
Okay doon. Dadalhin nyo o sasakay ko?
Pwedeng dumaan dyan sa kanya?
Hindi.
Hindi pala eh. Maglakad kami.
So dadalhin ko.
Dadaling ko.
Dadalhin mo.
Maiwan ka na dito.
Hindi. Wala, mag-corner ako to.
Sige na, mag-ikot ka na. Lubitin mo na. Han, antayin ka namin doon, Han. Ikot ka. Tara na. Bye-bye, baby. Eat na kayo dyan. Sige na. Bigyan mo nga tong aso. Bisan, alik ka nga dito. Bigyan mo nga to.
Ay, cute yung mga.
Ito na. Ito. Ayan na. Bye-bye, mami. Hello, 63 viewers. Good evening. Please share and likes my lives. Chuchu! Wala, yung mga maliliit, oh. Chuchu! Halika na tayo na. Come. Chuchu! Come. Ito na yung mga maliliit, oh. Come. Chuchu! Bilisan mo. Chuchu! Happy! Come here. Okay na. Ay,
Nice video.
hawak mo nga yung hawak mo. Okay. Enjoy, okay? Enjoy. Ano ba yung beans? Puno mo yung balde na. Enjoy, mami. Chuchu! Chuchu! Come here. Chuchu. Ano mo yung balde na? Kunin mo, ano ba yung Vincent? Ah, chuchu, chuchu, chuchu.
Ah, wait lang.
Tapunin mo na kasi nandun na yung pagkain nila eh. Marami na. Balik. Chuchu. Halika na, tara na, tara na. Bye-bye. Doon na kayo sa pagkain nyo. Bahala kayo dyan. Come here, chuchu. Eat here, eat here. Eat there, ah. Your brother's there, ah. See, eat there. Come here, chuchu. 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 Eat na, anak. Eat, okay.
Ibigay natin pagkain dito sa mama niya. Sa mama niya lang.
Saan?
Nandun sa may basurahan, di ba? Nandun sa mama niya.
Hindi pupunta pa tayo doon. Let's go. Nasa yung telepono ko ha. Hello 69 viewers. Good evening. Oh my God. Very hot. Too much humidity. I finished for terminal number 3 guys. Now terminal number 4.
Bigyan mo na sa malaki ha. Yung malaki. Tapos mo pa sa walang kumakain dito.
Wala. May tubig.
Meron.
Diyan ko ng konti, 2 piraso.
Gatsa ko nung para taong basura.
Sige na.
Ang na dito. Hindi mo nga pa yung malaki.
Sige na. Kalabisan. Hello guys. I'm going to terminal number 3, 4. I have 1 dogs here.
The mama.
The mama dog. Dito siya umiinom eh. Ha? Kaya mo na. Punta yan dyan mamaya. Hello 69 viewers. Please can you share and like my videos guys.
Tulog, chisin ko kami.
I really appreciate it. Your help. Please share and like my videos. Sending a gifts guys. Thank you so much. Ming!
Mga gano'n lang.
Ha? Buwangan yun, buwangan.
Bukas ng umaga, sobrang aga.
Buwangan yun.
Natulog ka umaga ha?
Sabi mo kay mamay.
Mamaya na.
Hindi, ilaan na lang natin sa bahay.
Ayaw man niya.
Bakit?
Ano yun?
Daming ano ngayon, kuya.
Sundin lang ako mami bukas ng umaga.
Hello guys, good evening. Finish na terminal number 4. Now I'm going terminal number 5. Opsi.
Ha?
Opsi. 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 Ubus na to eh.
Ayun, kasi
Ikaw ano? Bye! Hello 71 viewers. Please like and share my lives. Terminal number 5 is done. Reset. Bye, mommy! Hello 71 viewers. Good evening.
ilan?
71. Please like and share my videos, guys. Daan ka na lang namin nak sa bahay. Para hindi na pumunta sa Darito bukas maaga.
Napoto sa ako.
Saglit lang kami eh.
Ano na sila?
Saan na sila?
Ayun, tropa.
Saan?
Ayun.
Sa Tok-Tok. Wala
Babae
na.
mo na nakaharang.
Ah,
Babae mo nakaharang.
dito ka. Ang chika na. Mimi! I love you, mommy! Ay! I have my friend there, ah! Oh? 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 Ay, andyan na siya. Tumatakbo na sila. They saw me. I love you, mommy! I love you, anak! Okay, wait. Daddy coming, ah. Give your food, okay? Hello, 74 viewers. Please like and share my videos. Please, can you share a gifts? Gifts from the bottom of the hearts for these stray angels. Good evening, 74 viewers. Wait, mommy, wait. I will give you a.
Ito yung
Okay, enough. Okay, mommy. Eat well. Enjoy your dinner, anak. Enjoy your dinner, mommy. Good evening, 79 viewers. Thank you for watching, guys. Please follow and like my live. Share my live, guys. Thank you so much for watching. For all the viewers, follow my accounts. Sending a gifts is a big help with them. Thank you so much, guys. Please, can you share my live, guys? Good evening, everyone.
Ito saan?
Please share my lives. Hi, Diamond. Hi, Encourage. Hi everyone, good evening. Hello po. Bulikoy, please share and like my lives. Follow my account po. Good evening 80 viewers. Please can you like my lives? Like and share. Good evening 81 viewers. Hi Chinita, please can you share my lives? Share and likes my lives guys. Isang tawagan mo si Mayang bumaba siya dito kasi ayusin ko yung bank card niya.
Ano siya?
I finished terminal number 7 guys. Now I'm here for terminal number 8. We are reached now for terminal number 8. See, my cat is there. Over there. Up there. He's so what? He's so what? He's hey, coming down now. Huwag ka masyadong lumabas. Ano? Kasi parang hello to all viewers, new viewers. Share and likes my videos. Can you share and like my videos, guys? Hello, 82 viewers. Hello, mommy. You're waiting na. Come, mommy. It's mommy. Come, come, come. Come on, come, come, come.
Okay na. May baba pa sa kanya. Dahil nabigyan ng hito. Ibigay lang sa akin. Ha?
I'm here now, guys, for terminal number 8. We are eating for dinner now. Saan sila? Video mo muna.
Kasama sana kami. Bakit mas straight dito? Bakit? Pwede na bukas? Pwede na bukas?
Come! Coming! Come! Okay. Oh. Come. Look at. Oh.
Huwag lang kayo maingay, huwag kayo maingay. Hello guys, I am finished now for terminal number 8. Hello, 102 viewers. Good evening everyone. Hello Ruby, hello Gentle, hello Muhammad. Hello new viewers. Please can you like and share my lives, follow my account, and sending a gift is a big help for the stray angels. Now I am going now to terminal number 8, number 9 and 10. The one that the road is closed. Please keep very far, little far. So please keep it stay and watching my live. Hi. Hi Ramesh. Hi Mababasi. Good evening everyone. Thank you for watching. Share my live please. Share my live. Sending a gift is a big help with us guys. Saan mo kaya yun si Madam yung nagbigay kahapon ng Good evening everyone. Please come and join my live. Hello 112 viewers. Thank you for watching. Hi, wife Morox. Good evening. Can you share and like my lives, please? Sending a gift is a big help with us, guys. Thank you for viewers. Thank you for everyone. Hi, Miss Y6 Nox. Ayog. Thank you for the likes.
That's visual. L L L I L I A L.
Kanino number yan? 6006.
Aki. Yan ang ganas dito. Yan ang
Ayan na. Ayan ang WAM number na nga. Andi dito yung WAM? Yung number na yun? Two five three seven zero seven. Hello, akin ka na lang. Can you share and like my videos, please? Hello, 116 viewers. Ayan ang mga. Yari, mag-send ka sa akin. Punta ka dito. Yan.
Saan? Wow.
Transfer. You're welcome, Miss Yonoprox. Where are you going now? I'm going now to terminal number 9 and 10. I am already finished Miss Yonox for terminal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I am going na to terminal number 9 and 10. Please can you share and like my lives? Okay. Sending a gift is a big help with them. Really appreciated your help.
Why did you say that?
Yan na. Ito yung number ko. 6608 6
Brazilian.
isang to 6608 kunyari ang isang mo sa akin
This one.
100 kunyari lang ha hindi ko maisasend yan okay pipindutin mo yan bill payment diba pipindutin mo yan proceed na i-proceed ko lang pero hindi ko na mabubuksan yung ano ito help. Okay, then, proceed. 10. Sufficient balance. Kunyari, ito, KP. Proceed. Na. Ayan, nakalagay, diba? Diba, oh. Pag kinonfirm mo yan, lalabas yung code. Then, itatype mo ulit. Then, confirm ulit.
Yun lang.
Yeah, I've been 10 years now for 10 years now for helping the animals, Miss Winox. But just now only I discovered this TikTok really because all my friends they said why you don't do for this TikTok. That's why I am sharing now for the TikTok this every day that I am serving with them by my heart for the giving them a second chance life. So I wish all my viewers and followers they help us. Thank you so much, Miss Winox. Hello, 119 viewers. Hello, Farok. Hello, Shiba Kumar. Hello, Mababasiwa. Hello, Ruby, Jalhan, Muhammad, Nina Chen, Abdallah Cesar. Good evening, everyone. Please, can you send a gift? Give for the gift. Appreciated, guys. Thank you so much. Appreciated, Miss Winox Prox. Thank you so much. Appreciated, Miss Winox Prox. Okay na, balik mo siya na. Yan. Okay, babalik tayo para alam na. Matagal yan pag mag-back siya. Punta ikaw na. Sige, pindutin mo. Yung tatlo. Transfer. Transfer. Swam transfer. Ayan. Type mo yung number. Ano yung number? Kunyari, number niya. Okay, Sam. 666608. Number, telephone number yan, ha? 66086934. Ayan. Sige, okay mo. KD.
Ito.
Hello, Kan. Hello. Good evening, everyone. Lagay mo 2 lang, 2. Purpose. Pilitin mo yan. Bill payment. Tapos, ito. Type. Mag-type ka dyan. Help na lang lagay mo. Help. Pilitin mo yung agree. Then, proceed. Oo, sige lang. Hindi naman natin po-proceed sa uli. Hello, Kan. Good evening. Hello, Nan and Love. Tapos, confirm mo na siya, no? Sige, try mo yung confirm. Huwag mo lang siyang bubuksan yung... Try mo. Try mo lang.
Maki-confirm mo.
Hindi, may code yan, eh. May code yan. Tingnan mo, may lalabas na code yan. O, di ba? O, lalabas yan. Number mo. Pag pinindot mo yan, ibig sabihin pa submit na. Hindi mo sasubmit. O, ayan, o. O, di ba? Hello, Kan. Hello, Filler Joanne. Sige na, alis na kami. Puruan na lang. Balik muna. Hello, Kan. Hello, July. Please, can you share and like my lives? One time, turuan kita dong tap. Yung tatap yan. Mahabang proseso yun.
Ayun lang.
Bukas na lang.
Lang, dali lang. Tingnan mo si Lilian. Di pa siya mag-alive. O kaya ba nagpaabutin kasi siya ng 1,000 siguro eh.
Thank you for the like.
Kasi 70, ano,
Please,
ako sa 70.
please keep stay, guys. I'm going now to terminal number 910.
Nagka-live na ako eh.
Thank you so much for watching. Lisa, do you want to stay here? Sige, baba ka na. Ang dami checking doon. Bukas ka namin kunin.
Paano? Sige yan.
Bukas na lang punta kami dito maaga. Mag-breakfast kami dyan sa inyo.
Mama. Dala niya, dala niya.
Not a cloud.
Ano cloud?
Why? I see you later.
Tignan mo, Kang.
Di ko marunong. Kang Lilian ba? Di pa siya lagi makalive, mami.
Wait. Pakita ko na sa inyo yung pera ko. Pakita ko sa inyo. Let's go, Han. Hello, F-Joint. Please, good evening. Thank you, 130 viewers. To all my followers and friends. Now, I am going now for terminal number 9 and 10, guys. Thank you for all support, guys. Hello, 131 viewers. Please, can you like and share my lives? Sending a gift is a big help with us, guys.
Ilan na yan? 100.
131 viewers. Hello, 131 viewers. Now I'm going now. See, this is the chicken, guys. Daily, thank you so much. I will shout out and I will thank you to the one who sponsored this chicken every day. From almost 10 years, they giving to me this one. Thank you. Thank you, brother. He has a good kind and heart. He is a pet lovers and he love a pet also. That's why he is supporting us this chicken. Good evening, guys. How are you, everyone? I really appreciated your like and share. For all viewers, please keep stay. I have this. I'm going now for terminal number 8, 9, and 10. It's little but far, but please keep it stay my life. Guys, I am telling you my stories, okay? When I am a baby, I am 12 years old. I have the dog's name Dina. Dina, okay? It's in from Philippines, guys. And then this Tina is when start this dog, I love the pets very well until I go into any country. Any country I will go, I'm doing this, guys, really from my heart. If I saw it, the pets is not eating a whole day, especially from the stray pets, I am like loose. My heart will broke. This is me. Even I am tired for my work. I cannot sleep if I not giving them a food and water. Hello, Dev Sarah. Good evening. Hello, 135 viewers. Please, can you share and like my videos? Follow my account. Thank you so much, guys. And sending a gift is a big help with them. Good evening, everyone. I really appreciate it. Please, guys, follow my account and share my lives. Hello, Pokemon. Visit. Pokemon, can you share my lives? Like and share. Hi, Pokemon. My fan.
English ng libro. English.
Thank you, Miss Narnox.
English ng pala.
Hi, Kamal. Good evening. Good evening, 146 viewers. Guys, I am very near now for terminal number 9 and 10. Please keep it stay and follow my account. Share my live, guys. Hi, ganda ako. Ang ganda ka. Please, can you share my lives? Ganda ako. Follow my account. Ha? 155. Good evening, 155 viewers. Please, can you share and like my lives? Follow my accounts. Sending a gift is a big help with us, guys. Sarado pa rin. Hello, 147 viewers. Good evening, everyone, guys. Can you share and like my lives? By the way, guys, for this week, I have a 2 rescued cat. Okay, one is this the main corn mix, and one is this the Persian. Hello, Muhammad Khan. Good evening. Please, can you share and like and follow my accounts, guys? Really appreciated your help. Eh, cellphone ko nadala niya.
Andiyan, no?
Tingnan dito ko na lang. Ako na lang. Good evening, everyone. Nakas ako na lang. Grabe yung humid. Grabe. Kaya mga mamaya doon tayo. I'm here now for terminal number 9, guys. Ming! Hello, my babies. My babies is coming. Allah, come. Come. Come see what happened, anak. They throw your food, ah. Come here. Come. Come, mommy. Come here. Eat, mommy, eat. Sige na, eat na ikaw. Yes, eat na, mommy. Don't worry. Mommy will give you more food, okay? Okay. Yes. Don't fight me. Okay, eat, mommy. Eat well. Okay, I'm here now, guys, for terminal number 9. My cat is eating now. My stray angel's cat. They are eating. Please, guys, like and follow my share my account. I am finished for terminal number 9, guys.
Sapun.
I am finished for terminal. Tayo, Han. Mainit. Grabing humid. Ayun, puso.
Bisa pumunta dyan?
Hindi. Doon tayo. Tawagin mo nga sila. Oh, silang sakit ng ulo ko. Grabe, oy.
Sa ulo. Harapan?
Hmm.
Harapan? Harapan?
Dito lang tayo dito.
Diba, sa harapan ang sakit ng ulo mo?
Oh.
Basta sa kain.
Hello, Ming! 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 Ay! Andito na yung tropa ko! How are you, anak? You transfer your house here, anak? You transfer your house? Come, mami, come. Palitan mo yata. Ayan. Okay. Halika na, tropa. Baby, dito na ikaw. Akin na yung maliliit na yan, Han. Dito, lagyan mo dito, oh. Dito banda. Kasi. Ming! Wawa sila eh. Okay na. Sige na, eat na, mami. Eat. Eat, okay? Mommy will love you, okay? Hello, 154 viewers. Please, can you like and share my live, guys? I am here now for terminal number 10. Come, mommy, come. Eat, come, eat. Eat, anak, come. Come. I am done now, guys. Bye, mommy. I love you. Enjoy your dinner. Okay, let's go. Dito tayo ng ano. Saan?
Binigyan.
Saan siya? Video mo nga.
Ano yung sa likod?
Saan ito? Grabe. Tayo ng ano. Wala nang liter mo. Ay, wala nang ano. Dry food.
Foto lang.
Hello, Shahin. Good evening. Hello, 156 viewers. Please, can you like and share my live, guys? Sending a gift is a big help with us, guys. I finished na for terminal number 9 and 10, guys. Hello, 156 viewers. Good evening, everyone. Saan sila?
Nagsimento mo. Dalawang linggo pa yan.
Dito na binibigyan sila.
Hmm? Start na sila.
Street cut. Ayusin ko mamaya yung bread cut. Ano yung street cut? So guys, please stay my account. Stay. Hello, 156 viewers. Good evening, everyone. Please, can you share and like my videos? Sending a gifts, guys. Good evening, everyone. Hello, 159 viewers. Please, can you like and share my live, guys? I finished now for terminal number 9 and 10. Now I'm going to terminal number 11 and 12. So guys, keep it stay and keep it watching my live. Tawag nito.
Ano ba ito sa mga
Oo.
tindahan?
Mm.
Ngayon? Diretso tayo ngayon?
Kung wala mo silang direct food eh.
Triple late. With food.
Huwag lang.
Tayo tropa.
Ito na po lang isang piraso. 2 piraso. Good evening, everyone. Thank you for watching my live to all viewers and followers. Please keep it, share, and like my lives. Follow my account. Papakain mo sa kanya.
Ayun, naisip ko yung pag-iko ko na lang. Ayun ang daan.
Ayan, our eyes. Thank you for watching. Share my life, please. Likes and share and follow my account. If you would like to send a gift, every gift is deeply appreciated to everyone. It will help the stray angels, guys. Hi, 183 viewers. Thank you for watching my live. Thank you for to join us this stray angels every day. Hi, Nito. Good evening. Good evening, 164 viewers. Please stay, guys. I'm waiting for. I'm going now to terminal number 11 and 12. Okay ako na dito nakagpupili na.
Papunta mo sila dito.
Hmm?
Papunta mo sila dito. Hindi mo sa araw. Papunta sila dito. Tawag ko.
Saan? Brother, give me this dry food 6 kg and the 2 kg liter and two what's that? Wet food chicken, huh? Same yesterday. Nagaya ako dyan.
Ilan?
Please guys, quick stay. I preparing the food of this terminal number 11 and 12. Hello guys. Brother, for chicken, for chicken. Wet food.
Wait, 2 piece.
No, four.
Bilisan nyo.
Yeah. See, ay, my God.
How much all?
This check. Passport. Yung makain lang yung mga alaga natin. Kahit wala tayo. Lord, gawayan mo kami sa pagla-live namin. Ay. Hello, Yasin. Good evening. Welcome to my live. Please keep it stay. I'm going now to terminal number 12 and 13. 11 and 12, sorry. Sana mahuli natin yan si si Tropa tsaka yung anak niya. Nalagay sila sa cage.
Hindi nga pa ako anak mo eh.
Takot eh. Parang akala mo parang daga. Parang silang
Alam mo sinong magkuhuli sa kanila.
parang daga na eh.
Maliit pa naman katawan.
Papayat nila. Hello guys. Please share and like my videos. Hello 165 viewers. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting us guys today. I am going to 11 and 12 and my live is end. See you again tomorrow guys. So much. Thank you so much everyone for keeping a trust and stay to watching my stray angels. Thank you guys for come to join us every day. We really appreciate it. Hello 165 viewers. Please can you follow and like and share my accounts guys. Sending a gift is a big help with you guys. Ha?
Grabe ito na.
Bukas wala na yun.
Hmm?
Tanggalin nila yan bukas. Pati yung tubigan ng mga pusa ito uunin nila.
Ayun.
Guys, I am here now for terminal number 11. Ay, yung resibo ko. Ano yun? Ako na. Makita tayo yung tropa dito. Bigyan mo ng pagkain. Kain na kayo.
Shh! No fighting!
Ha?
Isang
Tropa. May tubig dyan na bote, di ba? Ming! Oo. Na! I love you, babies. Eat, mommy. Eat your dinner. This is terminal number 11, guys. Wait, baby. Wait, tropa. Daddy will keep a water with you guys. Just wait, mommy, okay? Come. Ming, Ming. Come, mommy, come. Okay. I'm going to terminal number 12. This is my baby. My Blackie. Blackie, halika na, mami. Ah, kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy, anak. Come, let's go. Let's go. Where's your kittens? Huh? Hey, I'm Chasino. Good evening. Where's your kittens, anak? Allah, your water is going there. Someone throw, huh? Your water, huh? Ah, what is this water? Two water, anak? Come here. Come here. I will put you down upod na. Yes, baby is here. Come here, come here, come. Come. Quickly, ata na. Come. Eat your baby, okay? Eat with your baby, anak, okay? See, guys, it's very nice food with them because she is mama and she has kittens. That's why I give them like this every day. Okay. Go, anak, go. Go. Come na. Okay. I love you. I love you, anak. Go eat with mama. See, guys, please help these kittens for your supports, for your gifts, and share these lives. Help them, guys. I'm trying to rescue them, these three. What I need some helps with them to do a vaccine, to do a checkup, to do a neuter. So, hoping this lives is helping for them. Thank you so much, guys. Now I am done my lives. I'm going to terminal number 13, guys. Terminal number 13. I'm going to terminal number 13, guys.
के छ सन्चै आरामै कस्तो
कसमा
एकदम भन्नुपर्छ हजुरको
मेरो पनि एकदम आज छुट्टी थियो दिनभरि लाइफमा मान्छे कति लाइफ बस्छ भनेर मान्छे
कसलाई हजुरलाई कसले भन्छ र आफ्नो इच्छा भने हैन
अगम छ आज अनि ड्युटी सक्यो त
छैन बसिरहेको थिएँ
ड्युटी सक्यो होइन अनि खाना भयो त
होइन भर्खर 10 बजे 12 बज्छ मेरो ड्युटी सक्दा
गाह्रो छ है
गाह्रो छ हामीलाई
10 बज्यो 12 भनेपछि अझै छ